Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to stir fry chicken in a 14-inch wok with a stainless steel spatula. For those of you who are new to stir fry in a wok, you might find this video useful. I'm going to offer you a set of guidelines that will help you through the process. Number one, spot season your wok. Make sure your wok is well seasoned. The best approach to do this is that always to spot season your wok before each cooking session. Number two, managing the heat. It is important when you spot season the wok, once the oil starts to smoke, turn the heat to low right away. Let the oil to smoke gently for 15 seconds. This is the time when the wok is seasoned by the oil. Now, if it smokes too much, turn off the heat. Remove the wok from the burner if you are using an electric stove. Leave the burner at low when you're going to saute your onion or garlic. Number three, flavoring the oil. I use onion or garlic to flavor my oil, but it's important to make sure not to burn them. Stir fry them under low heat setting. When you sense the aroma given off by them, you know it is ready. Do not burn either the garlic or the onion. When they are burnt, they will taste bitter. However, some people like the burnt flavor. If that is the case, go ahead and burn them until they turn black. Number four, prepping the chicken. You want to slice the chicken thinly, but the size is not that important as long as they are not too large. I slice the chicken as soon as I take them home and freeze them in 8-ounce package. This way, it will allow me to thaw them out in less than 10 minutes when I need them. I use mainly chicken breasts, but you can use any other chickens as well, such as chicken thigh. They cook pretty much the same. Number five, adding the chicken. Once the chicken hit the wok, the temperature of the oil will drop immediately. Therefore, turn the heat back to high, either before or immediately after you add the chicken to the wok. At this stage of the cooking, you want the wok as hot as possible. Unless you have a really powerful burner, this will be okay all the way to the end of the cooking. Number six, stirring the chicken. You should use 2 stirring motion during the process to distribute the chicken evenly at the bottom of the wok. The first motion is use the back edge of the spatula and to push the food around so that they will be distributed evenly over the surface of the wok. The second motion is the shovel motion. You use the wok spatula to turn food over. You also use this motion to gather the food at the edge of the wok and put them back into the center. The purpose of both motion is to cycle the food from the edge of the wok back to the center of the wok. The stainless steel wok spatula is better than any other spatula because it's designed specifically for these 2 motions. Number seven, cleaning the wok. Some of the debris from the food ingredients will inevitably stuck to the bottom of the wok. You use the wok spatula as a scraper to dislodge them. This will make cleaning much easier afterward. Number eight, judging the doneness. A stir fry is particularly useful when you try to monitor the progress of what you are cooking. In less than 10 seconds, you can see the edge of the chicken is already being cooked. So it is very important that you need to distribute the chicken rapidly and evenly. The goal is that you want to have the chicken cooked through, but without cook them too much so they lost their moisture and tenderness. In the beginning, you probably will want to do a taste test to make sure that it is the right doneness. But after a while, by looking at their appearance, you can tell. For me, after stir frying chicken for hundreds of times, I know exactly when they are ready. I know how I like it, so it is difficult for other people to cook chicken for me. Using this basic template, you can cook many different kinds of chicken. In the future, I will show you how to cook chicken such as General Tao chicken, orange chicken, sesame chicken, etc. So right now, I would like to ask you to get yourself some chicken, prep them up, and have them ready. Fire up your wok and give this a try. You'll be surprised how good chicken tastes in its natural state. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to receive notifications of my future video postings. See you next time.